High Court Judge Lady Justice Tripsisa Cherere has ordered for the arrest of Kisumu Governor Anyang Nyong'o and his sister Risper for disobeying court orders. The two, as ruled by the court, have been committed to civil jail for 1 month each after they were found in contempt of court. The governor and his sister are embroiled in a multi-million inheritance case against their nephew, Kenneth Okusa, with the details from Kisumu. Oko, how much progress have the police made in seeking to capture the governor?
Well, those orders were just issued a while ago, and of course, as we are made to understand, is that the governor is currently attending a meeting in Nakuru, and therefore we are not sure whether they will affect those arrests at this particular time. But as I'm speaking to you now, I'm holding the actual order that was issued by Lady Justice Cherere, which states, as I'm going to read just briefly, that first and the second petitioners, who is Peter Anyang Nyong'o and the Risper Nyagoy, that is his sister, have been listed here as the first and second petitioners or respondents, that the two are hereby committed to civil jail for 1 month. And two, that a warrant of arrest has been issued against them and the same to be executed by the police, that is the county commander of Kisumu, and that a further mention is supposed to happen on 7th of October. This is civil case number 815 of 2012, where Kenneth Okude and Geoffrey Omondi Nyong'o, those are nephews of the governor, have filed a case against Nyong'o and his sister, claiming that they struck them off the list of inheritance of a multi-billion. We are talking of 200 million estate belonging to Nyong'o's father, that is Risper Nyagoi, who died years back. So on October 18th last year, that was 2018, the court had ordered the Nyong'o and his sister to produce books of accounts of the estate, and that did not happen. Again, during that particular time, the court ordered that the two include Kenneth and Geoffrey as part of the administrators to incorporate them as administrators of the estate, but that did not happen too, and therefore the court found them in contempt come May 30th this year, when the case was heard again, and Lady Justice Cherere ordered them to pay a fine of 400,000 shillings each. But again, that did not happen, and occasioning the warrant of arrest that have happened today. Again, during that particular ruling on 30th, the court had ordered that the two pay a subsequent 50,000 shillings each for every month that they fail to remit the books of accounts as ordered by the courts there. So that has not happened. We are talking of a property which has 100 acres of land around Miwani here in Kisumu. We are talking of lands and estates. There are flats along Jogo Road in Nairobi, flats in Runda. So there's a host of properties that, as we've mentioned, they are totaling to 200 million shillings. And the two, that is the nephew, Kenneth and Omondi, want to be incorporated as part of the inheritance, to be part of the list of inheritance, as I've mentioned there, Olive. And therefore, they went to court in 2010. The case has been sort of dead for a while, but it was resuscitated last year. And the two, Nyong'o and his sister, have now been found contemptuous of court, and those orders made.